Hello, my name is Michael Gray. I'm 35. I'm from Hamilton, Ohio, and I am majoring in political science with hopes to attend law school. Some of my hobbies include coaching. Right now, I'm coaching my oldest son's all-star baseball team. I also enjoy exercise, hanging out with my family, with my wife, uh, eating at different places, traveling, and things like watching Netflix, playing video games. For this course, I'll probably focus on using baseball as my preference, but I may also use kickboxing. I did amateur kickboxing when I was a bit younger and still have a bit of passion for martial arts. And other than that, I just plan to take whatever knowledge that I use and apply it going forward in life in general. So I hope to take away a lot from this course.